Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have seen the arithmetic operators. Now we will be checking for the application of arithmetic operator with particularly string data type. तो हम देखते हैं यदि हमारे पास string data type है. Suppose मेरे पास पहली string है s is equal let we take it as 1 is equal to Rahul. When I take s2 is equal to Dubey. So when I run this code, print s1 plus s2. Run this code, you can see it's just concatenating the two strings. तो जब आप प्लस ऑपरेटर का यूज स्ट्रिंग के साथ करते हैं तो ये दो स्ट्रिंग्स को concatenate कर देता है. So this is what the application of plus operator with the string. This is the first one. Another kind of operator that is used with the string. Suppose मैं आप करता हूँ print s1 multiplied by 2. And I run this code. So can you see this? It is just it is just duplicating and concatenating, repeating the string. So Rahul is repeated. Suppose I have written here 3 times. So it is repeating 3 times. So you can see a simple application here. Like देखिए आप, यदि मैं बहुत सारे हाइफन्स को प्रिंट कराना चाहता हूं तो मैं प्रीवियस प्रोग्रामिंग्स में मेरे को प्रिंट में देना होता था. बट लेट बी चेक फॉर पाइथन. हम 50 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय और हम ब्रैकेट में देते हैं हाइफन्स स्ट्रिंग के. व्हेन आई रन दिस कोड सो यू कैन सी दिस हियर. लेट बी चेक अदर ऑपरेटर्स, है ना. तो सपोज जिस तरीके से हमने s1 प्लस s2 लिखा हुआ है, क्या हम s1 माइनस s2 का भी यूज कर पाएंगे? नहीं, है ना. So this is what the unsupported kind of operator, है ना. So we have to understand very clearly there are two operators of the arithmetic operators. One is the plus and second one is the multiplication. These two operator works with the string. So first case it is performing the concatenation. In the second case it is giving you the repetitions. So this was the application of the arithmetic operators with the string. For this video, it's all from my side. Thank you.